Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on scrap wood. Scrap wood, often considered as leftover remnants of larger projects, possesses remarkable potential for creative expression and craftsmanship in the world of DIY and artisanal creations. Embracing the ethos of sustainability and resourcefulness, scrap wood crafts unlock a world of possibilities, allowing individuals to transform seemingly discarded pieces into functional, beautiful, and environmentally conscious pieces of art. The charm of scrap wood crafts lies in their versatility. Regardless of size, shape, or type of wood, these leftover pieces can be repurposed and transformed into a multitude of items, ranging from small decorative objects to furniture and beyond. From hardwood flooring cutoffs to weathered barnwood bags, each piece carries its unique character and history, ready to be reinvented into something new. One of the most appealing aspects of working with scrap wood is the creative freedom it offers. Whether it's crafting intricate wooden mosaics, assembling pieces to create charming coasters, or constructing rustic picture frames, the limitations are only bound by imagination. The imperfections and variations in grain, color, and texture add character to the final creations, making each piece truly unique. For those passionate about woodworking, scrap wood serves as an excellent medium for honing these skills and experimenting with different techniques. It provides an opportunity to practice joinery, carving, and finishing methods on a smaller scale, allowing craftsmen to refine their craftsmanship while minimizing waste. The eco-friendly nature of scrap wood crafts aligns with the growing emphasis on sustainability. By repurposing discarded wood, crafters contribute to reducing environmental impact by diverting materials from landfills and lowering the demand for new resources. Furthermore, incorporating salvaged wood into crafts adds a touch of authenticity and a story of sustainability to the finished products. Small-scale projects like handmade wooden utensils, key holders, or decorative wall art showcase the beauty of scrap wood while serving practical purposes. Large endeavors such as building furniture like side tables, shelves, or even headboards from reclaimed wood not only add character to spaces but also contribute to a more eco-conscious approach to interior design. The accessibility of scrap wood makes it an ideal material for DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels. Basic tools and creative mindset are often all that's required to transform these discarded pieces into something functional and beautiful. Numerous online tutorials, woodworking forums, and community workshops offer guidance and inspiration for those eager to explore the realm of scrap wood crafts. Creating with scrap wood fosters a sense of satisfaction and connection to the materials used. The process of salvaging, sanding, cutting, and assembling the pieces into a finished creation is not only rewarding but also encourages a deeper appreciation for the inherent beauty and potential of what others might perceive as waste. Scrap wood crafts encapsulate the essence of creativity, sustainability, and craftsmanship. From simple, small-scale projects to intricate and larger endeavors, working with leftover wood fosters a culture of resourcefulness and ingenuity. The ability to repurpose discarded materials into functional, aesthetically pleasing pieces not only adds character and uniqueness to one's surroundings, but also promotes a mindful and environmentally conscious approach to crafting and living. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.